Alright, YouTubes.
Alright, YouTubes.
Happy Christmas. It's just a little video to say Merry Christmas to everyone. And thanks for everyone subscribing to our new channel and watching our videos. Really appreciate it. Yeah, we've really enjoyed doing them. And yeah, I'm glad people like it, and I'm happy for all the people that are subscribed. So we're going to carry on. We're going to have a little break now over Christmas. It's well deserved. Me and Reese are absolutely knackered. This Christmas week has been full on, getting everything finished and getting everything back to the customers. We've had a lot to do. So yeah, this is just a little message to say thanks to everyone for subscribing and thanks to everyone watching. The shout outs we've had, and Grant Smart Repairs shouting us out, and his subscribers coming over to us. So yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed it. And yeah, just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And here's a little snippet of what's going to come up next. Merry Christmas.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then